Kaya dito sa website ng BIR, hanapin natin ang EAFS or the Electronic Audited Financial Statements. EAFS is a web-based application system that enables the taxpayers to submit their filed income tax returns, ITR, audited financial statements, and other required attachments online in PDF file format. Click natin tong EAFS at ready na tayong mag-register sa AFS submission by Bureau of Internal Revenue. Click Not Registered. Then, dito na tayo sa Account Registration. Fields with a red dot are required. Registered name, naming convention. For individuals, for self-employed individuals, mga sole proprietor, professional, ang format po ng registered name is last name, first name, and middle name. For corporation, the corporate name. So, taxpayer information, input the company TIN, the 9-digit tax identification number. Registered name, last name, first name, middle name. Company email. Dapat sure po kayo make sure na tama ang inyong company email. Kasi dyan po magpapadala ng verification ang EAFS. Include the RDO. Sa akin, 044, Taguig Pateros. Yung sa inyo, makikita nyo po sa inyong Certificate of Registration bandang taas. SEC number. As self-employed individual, wala po tayong SEC number. Yung corporate lang po ang may SEC number. Authorized tax agent representative. Authorized representative's TIN. First name, middle name ng authorized representative. Then, email address. Email address ng authorized tax representative. Dapat po ang email address ng taxpayer at saka ng authorized representative ay magkaiba. Contact number. Mahalaga ito, guys, kasi hindi na kayo kailangang pumunta pa sa BIR office para mag-submit ng ITR and other attachments. Pwede na dito online. Username. Mag-nominate ng username. Password. Ang password dapat 12 to 128 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one digit, at least one special character. Okay. Strong password. Please make sure to enter the correct TIN and email addresses. Use of wrong TINs and email addresses will invalidate your submission. TINs and email addresses can only be registered once. Okay, click Submit. Statement of Undertaking. Accept na lang po natin itong Statement of Undertaking. You have successfully submitted your BIR AFS e-submission account registration application. Kindly check your registered company email for the system notification. Okay, back to login. Pag na-open na po ang email na pinadala ng BIR, i-click lang ang verification, then magpa-prompt na siya na successful registration. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!